How to fix TikTok effects problem. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok effects easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone, and after that scroll until you find TikTok. When you find it, all what you want to do now is click on it. It will take you to this page. Click on force stop right here to stop the app from running, and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the camera permission. Go back, click on the storage, and now click on clear data and click on delete, click on clear cache, and last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and click on update. You can do the same thing in the iPhone on the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful.